This is the kind of gaming desktop that doesn't need marketing tricks to prove itself. The moment you look at the configuration of the YEYIAN Mirage X, it's clear this is built for one thing only: maximum performance without compromise. At the core of this system is the AMD Ryzen 9 9900 X3D processor. This isn't just a fast CPU, it's engineered specifically for gaming workloads where cache efficiency matters as much as raw clock speed. What that translates to in real use is smoother frame pacing, better performance in CPU-heavy titles, and a noticeable reduction in stutter when games get chaotic on screen. It's the kind of processor that quietly handles everything in the background while you focus on performance. Supporting that level of CPU power is the RTX 5090 graphics card, which sits firmly at the top of modern GPU performance. This is where things get serious. High-resolution gaming, advanced ray tracing, and demanding creative workloads are all handled effortlessly. Games don't just run well, they run with headroom. That means higher settings, more stable frame rates, and a level of visual fidelity that makes older hardware feel completely outdated by comparison. Memory is another area where this system doesn't hold back. With 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz, multitasking becomes completely fluid. You can game, stream, record, edit, and browse all at once without the system feeling overloaded. Applications load quickly, transitions are instant, and there's no sense of waiting around for anything to catch up. Storage also plays a huge role in the overall experience. A 2TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD delivers extremely fast read and write speeds, which directly impacts everything from boot times to game loading screens. Large open-world titles that usually take a while to load feel significantly faster, and transferring large files becomes almost effortless. On top of that, 2 terabytes of space gives you room to actually build a serious game library without constantly managing storage. Power delivery is handled by a 1000W platinum-rated power supply, which is a critical part of a system like this. High-end components demand stable and efficient power, especially under full load. This PSU ensures that the system remains stable during long gaming sessions, rendering tasks, or stress-heavy workloads, without fluctuations that could impact performance or reliability. Cooling is equally important in a build like this. With hardware this powerful, heat management becomes essential for sustained performance. The system is designed to maintain stable thermal performance even under heavy loads, ensuring that the CPU and GPU can operate at high levels for extended periods without throttling or instability. That means consistent performance whether you're gaming for hours or pushing the system with demanding creative work. From a design standpoint, the chassis reflects a modern high-performance aesthetic. It's clean, structured, and visually balanced, with lighting that enhances the setup without overwhelming it. It fits just as easily in a gaming environment as it does in a professional workspace, which makes it more versatile than many aggressively styled builds. In real-world usage, this system sits in the category of high-end performance machines that can handle almost anything you throw at them. Competitive gaming benefits from extremely high frame rates and low latency responsiveness. AAA titles run at maximum settings with advanced visual effects enabled. Creative workloads like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming are handled smoothly without slowdown. One of the biggest advantages here is that this is a fully built and optimized system. There's no need to worry about compatibility issues, BIOS tuning, or assembly. Everything is configured to work together out of the box, which makes it a straightforward plug-and-play experience for high-performance computing. What stands out most about this build is balance. Every component is selected to match the performance level of the others, so nothing feels like a bottleneck. That balance is what allows the system to deliver consistent high-end performance across gaming, productivity, and creative tasks. For anyone looking at a long-term upgrade that can handle modern games today and still stay relevant for years ahead, this kind of system sits at the top end of the spectrum. It's not just about current performance, but also about future readiness. Check the description for full details, pricing, and availability if you're considering this setup.